The second, Salat al-Kusuf. فإذا كسفت الشمس أو القمر فزع الناس إلى الصلاة. The second is Salat al-Kusuf. So when the sun or moon eclipses, then people should anxiously rush to the prayer, meaning there should be a sense of dread. There should be a sense of fear. It is sunnah to have a sense of fear. وَإِنْ أَحَبُّوا جَمَاعَةً وَإِنْ أَحَبُّوا أَفْرَادًا. If they want, they can pray in jama'ah, and if they're not able to, they can pray individually, meaning at home. If there's no jama'ah going on, pray at home. Salat al-Kusuf doesn't have to be in jama'ah. Just like Salat al-Tarawih does not have to be in jama'ah. You can pray Tarawih at home. You should pray Tarawih at home if you're not praying in the masjid. Same with Kusuf, that if you cannot pray Kusuf in the masjid, then you pray it at home. And we just did Kusuf last month in our masjid for the first time here at MIC. And how do you do Kusuf? He describes it. فَيُكَبِّرُ وَيَقْرَأُ الْفَاتِحَةَ وَسُورَةً طَوِيلَةً ثُمَّ يَرْكَعُ رُكُوعًا طَوِيلًا. So, regular, except that you have a long surah and a long ruku'. Then ثم يرفع فيقرأ الفاتحة وسورة طويلة دون التي قبلها. Then he'll stand up again from the ruku' and recite Fatiha all over again. So in the one rak'ah, you will have 2 Fatihas and 2 surahs and 2 ruku's. Then you will go into sajda and do 2 sajdas. So the only salah that has 2 ruku's and 2 sajdas and 2 fatihas in each rak'ah is Salat al-Kusuf. That's the only salah. And it is sunnah to have a long ruku' and a long sujood. So the whole Kusuf will be 2 rak'ahs with 4 ruku' and 4 sujood. Is that clear? Straightforward. Okay? 2 rak'ahs, 4 fatihas, 4 ruku's, 4 sujood. Simple enough. Okay? That's the only salah that will be the case. So this is the second of the 3 that is encouraged to do in jama'ah.